Hello viewers, I'm back, and first of all I apologize for being away for this long, for just announcing something and not coming back with anything. The thing is, just when I made my first video, after that for about a month, in fact till now, I have hit a plateau in my weight loss journey. That is, my weight has not really reduced at all, and it's been a month or so that it has been very steady where it is. So I was in a state of doubt about my own diet and about making these videos and what I'm going to say in these if my own weight is not going down. So yeah, it was a little low time for me, and I just couldn't get myself to do anything about a video. But well, now I'm back, and that happened, and I would like to thank a friend of mine who spoke to me not about this, but she spoke to me about how when we hear this too shall pass, and this is a very small thing, just the weight being where it is, even though you're trying your best, it is actually a very small thing. One just has to wait it out. I saw that when I spoke to this friend, and I'm really grateful to her. So now I'm back, and today I'm just going to give you a place mark about where I stand today, and then from the next video we'll take it ahead or back. Let's see. Today I have nothing planned for this video, but just the resolve that I have to make this video today and come across to you and speak. So for this English series, this is video number 2 and 3, just because I started the Marathi series first, and the English series has begun on request from some people who don't understand Marathi. So it began a little later than the Marathi video, the first Marathi video. So by that time the second Marathi video was already on, and the first English video, they two are contemporary. So now I'm in a fix. I don't want to make a video number 2 in English just because, just to fill the gap. So this is video number 2 and 3, and let us just go in tandem with the Marathi now. And just to be fair to the viewers who watch the English videos, I will now make this video first and then the Marathi video. So as of today, I have been on this diet for a little over 4 months, and my weight for the last 4 weeks has been between 80 kilos and 81 kilos. So I've been desperate to get it below 80, because that will make my weight loss 15 kilos, and of course, because I need progress, I need to get down to my desired weight as quickly as I can. So that doesn't seem to be happening for various reasons. My dietitian tells me it's my age, which could be a factor. Everybody is different, right? So that could be a factor. I have full faith in the dietitian, so that is not a point of concern. I am regularly working out in the mornings, so that is not a point of concern. I think I just need to go with it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm continuing with this, and I have faith, I have the confidence that any day now I will cross the terrible figure 80 and enter the magical figure 79 point something. So yes, this is where I stand, and it's been a very short 4 months, but the last 1 month has been fairly slow to pass, because every day I wake up, I weigh myself on the scale, and every day I don't see that desired drop. It's not a good feeling, but yes, every morning I'm hopeful, so that is a positive. Let me tell you about my weighing myself. Okay, so this video can be about that, about how I need to check my weight every morning. So my instructions were from my dietitian that every morning I need to check my weight, and so before I have anything, whether it is water or my tea. So every day I check my weight on an empty stomach. I weigh myself, make a note. I am in the habit of taking a picture of that weight, but well, to tell you the truth, the last 130 or whatever photos that I have taken of my weight, I have not seen them again, not even one of them. So I think I could have skipped that part. I need not have taken a photo, but I stand on my scale, and before that number disappears, just by, after a while the number disappears, and before that happens, I need to take a picture. Now it's an idiosyncrasy, nobody needs to do that really, because I remember my weight and immediately I send it to my dietitian on WhatsApp. So I don't need those photos, but I still keep taking those pictures. Now the weighing scale I had earlier was a mechanical weighing scale, but she told me that taking my weight on a digital scale will be better, which I agreed to. And my scale was really very old. I also would not have known whether I was, like for example now, whether it was 80 or 82-ish or 81 and a half-ish. So I think I prefer to be precise. Now I bought a weighing scale, and I'll put up a picture, and yes, so this is the weighing scale, and it's very clear. The display is absolutely clear, and for 4 months I have not had to charge it even once. I bought it when I started the diet, but I have not charged it even once. And I like my weighing scale, except that it's a little weird. In the morning, when I stand on it the first time, it shows a number that is about a kilo more than the actual weight. So that number is terrifying, because the first day I stood on it, I showed 96 point something, and I was petrified. But no, you stand on it again, and that is your real weight. So this is my weighing process, my weight taking ceremony every morning, and I send it to her, and then I start my morning intake. More about my morning intake in the next video, which will, I promise, it will come very soon. Till then, bye bye. Do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that the bell will ring when I have put something up. Thank you very much for the patience you have shown. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.